Hello everyone, I'm the Lee. Today I will be compare the two browsers, one is the Google Chrome, one is the Firefox. Those two browsers are the most people will use. The reason why they use that is because those are really popular and useful, and it has been accepted by the most people. So today I will compare them a little bit. The first for the Chromes. If you want to search something in your Chrome, so you can click those two buttons and just type some things. You can just find something in here. Also for the Firefox, you just click something, both of them. You can find the any website you wanted. And the next, when you open some address, and when you open some website, you want to download some things. And when you download some files, you cannot find it. So how to change your download files, and how to find your download files, and how to change your download address. We can click this main menus in your Chromes, and you can see here has downloads. Just click it. You can find the files that you already downloaded, and then click here. You can find the folders you downloaded. But here you cannot change your download address. So we go back, and we click this main menu again, and then we find the setting, and then we throw it. And you can see here has a download address. You can change it, or you can ask where to save each files before you are downloading. As same as the Firefox, you can find the Firefox download address. Like go to the options, and you can change your folders, and you can ask that. Okay, the next things like when you open some websites, you want to save that. The next time you can just click the one button to open it. So how to do that? You can click this add shortcut and write the name of that you gave that, and then write your address you wanted, and then click down, and then you just click that, and it will show you some your wanted address. And for the Firefox, the most same. You click this little pencil and write your name, and then write your website, and you just add it, and you can open it. That's really easy for those two browsers. It's the most same things of those two browsers. And sometimes as different language people, they want to change the basic language of that. So you also can click these buttons, and then you click settings, and then here has many things. If you cannot find, you can click this search settings and write like a language, and you can find, you can change your language. Can add some language. They have a lot of language you can change. And for the Firefox, you also just go to your options and just search. They have the small buttons. You can search. Yeah, here we go. You can find the what's the language you want. You prefer, just choose like the language. But we can see here it has a language in your Firefox, but it look like a little bit the Google Chrome has more language than the Firefox. Yeah, you have more options in here. So this is I compare those two Chrome two browsers. Thank you for the watch.